Welcome back to Ride the Teacups. Today we're taking you on a sandy journey as we share the highlights of our recent family trip to the sun-soaked shores of Mission Beach in beautiful San Diego, California. Get ready for some beachy fun, helpful tips, and a few surprises along the way. Before we dive into the sun and surf, make sure you're subscribed to catch our adventures. We love to pass on the tips and tricks we learn along the way to you for your visit. Now, let's hit the beach and share some tips for a perfect family day. I should mention that as part of our perfect family day, we slept in. A lot. And when we finally did get up, we spent some time at the Holiday Inn Express pool. We'll show you more about the hotel's amenities in a future video, so make sure you smash the notification bell to see if it's worth your time. If you're on a long trip, always plan a rest day every third or fourth day. Your feet will thank you.
Say goodbye to the
We
camera.
finally headed to the beach after lunch. Arrive early to snag the best spot and beat the crowds. The morning hours offer cooler temperatures and less intense sun, perfect for setting up your beach haven. We got lucky and snagged a great spot after lunch, but other cars were parked all the way down the block. Bring a beach bag stocked with essentials like sunscreen, hats, snacks, water, and of course, sand toys for your littles.
You may not know, sand gets on everything, absolutely everything. So, here's how I'm actually bringing you these videos. Check this out. Every single moment that I am not recording, everything is here in this closed Ziploc bag, sealed completely so that even a kick can't bring up any sand. And we seal it each time so we don't accidentally get sand in it as we go. Keep your stuff safe.
Seashells I found.
Oh, I want to see your seashell. Whoa, look at those seashells. Oh my goodness, there are so many. Can you open your hand again? Oh my goodness gracious, dude. Also, make sure you have so much water. We have a whole case, a Costco case of water in our van. We each have water bottles here, and we've got a couple of spare ones just to make sure that we're not running out of water. Really easy to get dehydrated here at the beach. Seems a little weird because, you know, but don't drink that, that's gross. And make sure you do have a whole lot of drinking water with you.
Don't forget a beach umbrella or a tent for some shade. But don't go buy one just yet. Hang on, we're going to show you how to save an awful lot of money and still get that shade.
There are a few things that I cannot stress enough for you to have a great time. First off is that sunscreen. Have it before you go. Make sure it has time to actually set before you head off into the ocean over there. And bring it with you. We are in the reapply stage right now, which is where Mrs. Teacups and the kids are. They're out reapplying. We do it about every 2 hours. We reapply that sunscreen because this California sun is no joke, and especially here on the beach, you get it double. You get it from the sky and then it reflects off the ocean. It's madness. You will get burned. Make sure you're wearing that sunscreen. We've also got the floppy hats. I think during the live stream I took it off, but I was also under this umbrella for most of it. So have your ugly floppy Costco sun hats wherever you happen to get it from. We get ours from Costco.
Always keep a watchful eye on the kiddos near the water. Consider bringing life jackets for added safety, especially if your little ones are still getting the hang of swimming. Our boys are both very strong swimmers, but I still made sure to hold on to each of them every time they went into the water anyway. Now that we've covered some tips, let's dive into the history of Mission Beach with 6 fascinating facts. First up, Mission Beach was developed in the early 20th century and was officially opened in 1914. It quickly became a popular destination for both locals and tourists seeking sun, sea, and relaxation. In the 1920s, Mission Beach boasted a wooden roller coaster known as the Giant Dipper. While the coaster's no longer standing, it left an indelible mark on the beach's history as a thrilling attraction. Belmont Park, a historic amusement park at Mission Beach, features the Plunge, one of the oldest continuously operating saltwater pools in the United States. It's been a cool escape for beachgoers since 1925. We didn't visit Belmont Park on this trip, our schedule was packed, but we will be back. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Mission Beach is also home to the iconic Strandway, a concrete boardwalk that stretches for miles. This scenic pathway has been a favorite spot for joggers, cyclists, and strollers since the early days of the beach. In 1925, a group of swimmers from the nearby La Jolla Cave broke the world record for the longest continuous swim by covering a whopping 36 miles from La Jolla to Mission Beach. 36 miles! What? During World War II, Mission Beach played a role in supporting the war effort. The area around Belmont Park served as a training ground for naval personnel.
Y'all, we are having the best time here at the beach in San Diego, California. And I want to tell you, if you want to have the time of your life like what you're seeing in our videos, you can do it the best through our friends at Getaway Today. You can reach them at 855-GETAWAY. There's also a link down in the description below where you can go and reserve your hotel, any parks that you want to go to. They're amazing. They found our hotel for us. We love it. We'll be showing you a room tour of that, so make sure you're subscribed for it. But we love the service that we always get from Getaway Today, including this trip. They furnished this trip and so many of our trips for years. We love them. We think you'll love them too. Tell them Ride the Teacup sent you. You'll save even more on top of the already discounted rates. Getaway Today. Check them out.
Before we wrap up our Mission Beach adventure, we want to give a special shout out to Mission Beach Rentals, the spot that made our beach day even more enjoyable. One of the best decisions we made for our beach day was stopping by. They offer a fantastic selection of beach gear, from umbrellas and chairs to boogie boards and bikes. Renting equipment made our day a breeze. Here's a little bonus secret we discovered. This place has some hidden gems among their rentals. We found unique items like beach games, snorkeling gear, and even beach wagons, perfect for families with littles.
That's what I'm honestly really after. Beach umbrella. Didn't want to pay 60 bucks for it online to use it once, so rent it. 8 to 15 bucks. Whole lot better deal for me.
It made our day stress-free and let us focus on creating those memories with our kids. So a big thank you to Mission Beach Rentals for adding that extra touch of comfort and fun to our beach day. They're not sponsoring this or paying us for any attention. We just had an amazing experience and wanted to share it with y'all. If you enjoyed our beach adventure and found the rental advice helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. As you plan your own beach getaway, may your rentals be plentiful, your sunscreen strong, and your smiles endless. Thanks for joining us. We love you. We'll see you next time we ride the teacups. Later, y'all.